Welcome back to week 3 of the dream build. As you can see in the background, the workshop is starting to get built up now. Last week when we showed you, we dug out the foundations and put the trench block in to the living room and the kitchen area over there. We've got the gymnasium there and the utility room. Well, across here you can see a strip foundation in. This is going to be the front door of the main house. It will split off 2 ways. Last week when you tuned in, we dug out this whole area ready for the foundations. We managed to get the concrete poured. We brought the block up more or less to floor height, but we had a major problem over in that far corner where our office is going to be. We had to dig down to about 3 meters till we hit solid ground, poured tons and tons of concrete in it, built it up with the trench blocks up to floor level. But you can see it's a pump in there because the water table's starting to rise and that keeps filling up with water. We pump it right the way through this pipe, all the way through this scaffolding tube, and then a temporary drains taking us all the way into the main drains. See you next week.